So after working on the tree and taking out nails and getting prepared to put the lift away, I was procrastinating about this. Should I take more off? Should I just close in what I had off already? And so I came up here, looked it over, and decided I'm taking more off. So I removed this right here, and it turns out these boards are bad, especially right here. This whole end of the 3-tab shingles that was underneath here just came right off as soon as I started to lift it up. I mean, it was just hanging on there by pretty much nothing. So this board had an area that was good. So what I'm going to do is cut this one right here at 33 inches in. Cut this one here. Cut this one right here. And then cut this one right here. So I brought the skill saw battery, and I'm just going to carefully go up through there. I remove the nails, so I shouldn't hit any nails, as long as I'm careful not to go much over. Looks like I'd already removed this one, so that's good. And these are out, yeah. And then I'll replace these, which are probably 4 inches. Suppose I should measure that, but I didn't bring any wood up for that yet. So I'm going to cut. So I also cleaned this out. There was one carcass here, and you can see I need to clean that out yet. There's a carcass over there, either a pigeon or a squirrel that had gotten into the attic. There's videos of that. I had cleaned out like 100, I think. I don't know, something like that. There was a lot of them. I had counted them. So we're going to pull these boards off, replace this area here. I am sure this whole roof needs replacing. It's worse than it looks. Then I need to go up there sometime tomorrow or after I get this closed in and do something with that. But the rest, this roof needs to be dealt with this coming spring and into the summer. So there'll be many videos on that, but for right now we're going to take care of this corner. We're going to actually replace these boards. We're going to get one layer of white aluminum on here, and then we'll put the temporary stuff so that we're watertight. Well, who knows what holes are up in here, because this stuff isn't holding very good anymore either. But regardless, we're going to get it as watertight as we can. And then fortunately, these boards, yeah, a little bit of rot started to occur here at some point, but it's not bad. It's not terrible. It's okay. So we're good, you know, replacing these. It looks like it's going to take care of it. Yeah, these are wet. It's because it was exposed this last snow, which I wasn't expecting. Okay. Let's get working. I only have about an hour before the sun starts to set, and then I'm going to have to get the headlight out. I'd love to get this closed in tonight yet, so let's get working. Oh, I need to, when I put this board on here, it's about a 7.5 with a I need to cut a slant on that. Probably, I'm guessing 30 degrees, because a lot of things on these buildings are 30 degrees and 40 degrees, 45 degrees. So my guess is this is a 30 degree. So I'll get a measurement, maybe bring it to right here, cut one piece, get another measurement for this piece, because the table saw that I have here is a portable. It's good, but it's nothing like the one in my wood shop. But it'll work for this. We'll get our 30 degree on there and get this back in place. It should look much better, and it'll be solid. Okay, let's get to work.